Crash Course on Prince Edward Island, PEI, Province, Canada. Prince Edward Island, located in the Gulf of St. Lawrence, is a picturesque province known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Let's explore the key aspects of this charming province. Geographical location. Prince Edward Island is located on the eastern coast of Canada, in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It is the smallest province in Canada, both in terms of land area and population. Capital. The capital city of Prince Edward Island is Charlottetown, a historic city with a vibrant cultural scene. Charlottetown is known for its Victorian-era architecture, charming waterfront, and as the birthplace of Confederation. Population. Prince Edward Island has a population of approximately 160,000 people. The island's population is known for its friendly and welcoming nature, reflecting the province's strong sense of community. Economy. The economy of Prince Edward Island is diverse, with industries such as agriculture, fishing, tourism, and aerospace. The province is famous for its high-quality seafood, including lobsters, mussels, and oysters. Education. Prince Edward Island has a well-regarded education system, including the University of Prince Edward Island and Holland College. The province places a strong emphasis on education and offers a supportive environment for students. Brief history. Prince Edward Island has a rich history, with indigenous peoples residing on the island for thousands of years. The island's history is intertwined with European settlement and the arrival of French and British colonizers. Prince Edward Island played a significant role in the Confederation of Canada, with Charlottetown hosting the famous Charlottetown Conference in 1864. Cultures and politics. Prince Edward Island has a vibrant cultural scene, influenced by its Acadian, Scottish, and Mi'kmaq heritage. The province's politics operate under a parliamentary system, with a premier leading the government. Top 12 attractions in Prince Edward Island. 1. Green Gables Heritage Place. Explore the inspiration behind Lucy Maud Montgomery's beloved novel, Anne of Green Gables. 2. Cavendish Beach. Relax on the sandy shores of this beautiful beach and enjoy stunning views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. 3. Confederation Trail. Discover the island's scenic beauty by walking or cycling along this extensive trail system. 4. Charlottetown Waterfront. Stroll along the waterfront, visit local shops, and dine at charming restaurants offering fresh seafood. 5. Basin Head Provincial Park. Experience the singing sands of Basin Head Beach and enjoy activities like swimming and kayaking. 6. Victoria by the Sea. Immerse yourself in this picturesque village known for its Victorian charm, art galleries, and quaint shops. 7. North Cape. Witness breathtaking views and dramatic cliffs at the island's westernmost point, featuring a wind energy demonstration site. 8. Greenwich Dunes. Hike through the stunning dune system and explore the Greenwich Beach and Interpretation Center. 9. Point Prim Lighthouse. Visit the oldest lighthouse on Prince Edward Island and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding coastline. 10. St. Peter's Bay. Engage in water activities like kayaking and paddleboarding, and explore the nearby Greenwich National Park. 11. Orwell Corner Historic Village. Step back in time and experience life in a 19th-century farming community at this living history museum. 12. Wood Islands Lighthouse. Learn about the island's maritime heritage and enjoy scenic views from this historic lighthouse. Summary. Prince Edward Island captivates visitors with its natural beauty, rich history, and warm hospitality. From the charming streets of Charlottetown to the sandy beaches and picturesque villages, the province offers a delightful experience for all who visit. Its diverse economy, strong educational institutions, and vibrant cultural scene contribute to its unique identity. Whether exploring the literary world of Anne of Green Gables, enjoying the breathtaking coastal landscapes, or indulging in fresh seafood, Prince Edward Island promises unforgettable moments. Plan your next adventure to this captivating province and create memories that will last a lifetime. Poem. In Prince Edward Island, where beauty meets the sea. A land of wonders and stories to set your spirit free. From Charlottetown's historic grace to Green Gables' charm, the island's magic welcomes all with open arms. The rolling waves of Cavendish, where Anne found her way, and Confederation's legacy forever on display. Victoria by the Sea, a village quaint and fair, where time slows down and worries disappear into the air. From Basin Head's singing sands to Greenwich's June dance, nature's marvels unfold with every single glance. North Cape's majestic cliffs, so wild and untamed, and Point Prim's lighthouse, where seafarers are named. St. Peter's Bay, a haven for watersports and fun. Orwell Corners Village, where history's journey is begun. Wood Island's lighthouse, a beacon through the night, guiding ships to safety with its steadfast light. In Prince Edward Island, culture blooms and thrives, with Acadian, Scottish, and Mi'kmaq lives. The warmth of its people, their hospitality so true, you'll feel like family before your journey is through. So come to Prince Edward Island, a treasure by the shore, where dreams are born and memories forevermore. Discover the beauty, the history, and the heart, and let the island's spirit be your work of art. Song. Verse 1. In Prince Edward Island's embrace, I find my soul at ease, where rolling waves and golden shores inspire endless dreams. From Charlottetown's historic streets to Green Gables' magic lore, the island's beauty captures hearts like never before. Chorus. Prince Edward Island, a place of wonder and grace, where nature's splendor and warm smiles embrace. From Cavendish to Victoria, each corner tells a tale. In this island sanctuary, where dreams set sail. Verse 2. From Basin Head's singing sands to North Cape's rugged cliffs, adventure awaits at every turn, a journey that uplifts. St. Peter's Bay and Orwell Corner, treasures to explore. The island's heritage and culture, forever to adore. Bridge. Wood Island's lighthouse, standing tall and strong, guiding ships to safety, a symbol of hope all along. The spirit of Prince Edward Island, in every song and rhyme. A place where memories are made, frozen in time. Chorus. Prince Edward Island, a place of wonder and grace, where nature's splendor and warm smiles embrace. From Cavendish to Victoria, each corner tells a tale. In this island sanctuary, where dreams set sail. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.